Hi, this is a quick introduction to basics of VS Code. A Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a free code editor developed by Microsoft, and it is widely used for web development. Basically, it doesn't have any competition in the field of web development. It is free and open sourced. It works on every platform. It has built-in Git support. It has extensions for added functionality, and it has an integrated terminal. To install VS Code, you go to their website, code.visualstudio.com. You download the version for your operating system. Mine is Mac OS, but they have it covered for all operating systems. After that, you run the installer and follow the instructions. If you need any help with this, let me know in the comments below, and I will make a separate video regarding installation of VS Code on both Windows and Mac OS, since I have an old PC where I tried to install it already, just to see if it works. Or you can just go on their YouTube channel and try to find a video how to install VS Code. Next thing is navigating VS Code. The VS Code interface has following icons. Explorer, where you view, open, edit, save your project files. Editor window, where you write code. Terminal. Now the terminal runs commands without leaving VS Code, as I understood, and it is used with programming languages, so I will have to learn it later, but for now it is not so important for me as a beginner. Then we have extensions. Extensions, you can install add-ons for extra functionality in extensions. And we have command palette, from where you can quickly access all the commands of VS Code. After we have installed VS Code, we want to create a new file, in our case an HTML file. You go to Explorer, you go to File, New File, click, give it a name, and you have a new index.html file. Let's write down something here, h1 for instance. Yeah, this is a tradition, I was told. So, the white dot next to the name index.html means that changes in file haven't been saved. Once you save it, the dot disappears. When you make changes again without saving it, it appears again. That's it. Now, here are essential extensions for VS Code, just ones you need in the beginning. Firstly, how to install extensions. You go to extensions, search an extension name, let's say Live Preview. You install it. You click here. That's it. Very easy. Now, the recommended extensions for web development for beginners, for me, that I have installed are following. We have Live Server. It instantly previews your HTML file in a browser. Then there's HTML CSS support that provides much better HTML and CSS autocomplete. Then auto close tag, it automatically closes HTML tags, and auto rename tag, which renames paired tags when one is changed. So far, we have set up basic things in VS Code, installed useful extensions, we know how to create and save a file, and in the next lesson, we'll start coding our first HTML page together. Basic stuff for me too. Nothing fancy, we are just starting this journey. That is all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share if you find it useful, and leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.